Here we have Mika and Loki eating some fresh corn off the stalk, and we got some snap peas, some fresh carrots.
Sugar snap peas.
Sugar snap peas. Well, I don't want them having tons of sugar. They're just.
No, that's just what they're called.
Oh, okay. Well, anyways, they are eating very healthy food, and they're having a good time. Look at them. Look at them. Get that. Get it, Loki. Get it, Loki. Get it, Loki. Look at how cute. Good morning. Oh, look at your red eye. Good morning. He's my little albino. And then look at Mika over here with her splay leg. Oh, splay leg. Hello. Hi, Mika. Aw. Thanks for saying hi back. We got Frenchy begging down there.
Eating garbage.
Eating garbage off the ground, whatever she can. She's a fatty. Look, Lokes. There's Natalie waiting for treats. Then we got our beautiful greyhound, Isabella, and our other beautiful greyhound, Ava. And there's Lilly, big time mama. Back to the birds, still eating, having another morning smorgasbord. Just wanted to check in with everybody and show you guys that they're eating very healthy.
Shane Boyardee.
Yes, this is Shane's Boyardee.